Hi YouTube, here with another video. I told myself I wouldn't make another oil additive video. I kind of feel like I may be called crazy, but like I don't know, I just want to test not all the oil additives, but the ones that fall into their category. Like engine restorer. I have my small stash right there. There goes. So like that restores it with lead and all that. You have your like oil viscosity modifiers, which is like Lucas, the stabilizers, and the hyperlubes. Those are similar. But the next oil engine treatment is this right here. This is from Prolong super lubricants, engine treatment for gas and diesel engines, anti-friction metal treatment, free lifetime warranty. This is pretty much an unboxing video. So I've seen some intriguing videos from a product called Bestline engine treatment. So this is pretty much like a competition for them. Just showing you guys the box so you guys could read it. I'm going to open up the box. This is an unboxing video. So alright, let's get to unboxing. I haven't unboxed it yet because I barely came back from AutoZone. I bought this together when I made the STP maximum life filter. Oh damn, it's actually pretty heavy. Damn, this does not come off. Alright, wait up. I'll let you guys see. Hopefully you guys can see me. Oh crap. Oh fuck it. Alright, so this is the engine treatment. So right here, super lubricant engine treatment for gas and diesel, ultimate protection and all that. Pretty much the same stuff that's on the box. So, and the light glare. All right, let me see. Made in USA. I always try to get American products. So if anything else. Oh damn. Well, it comes with this paper. It says this is as of February 11th, 2018. Well, they give you like online sale, I guess. Like I don't know what it is. Register car. I'm not gonna do this. So yeah, it gives you that, and this came out of there. Oh, sick! It comes with the sticker. This is Prolonged super lubricants, no equal in the world. So yeah, man, like I'm eventually gonna do this. So my next oil change I will do is like in March. So like a month, like towards the end of March, like a month and a half, and then I'm gonna leave it in there for 6 months. I'm gonna leave the oil in my car for 6 months because my particular car, the 1988 Honda Civic, it says use 7,500 miles or 6 months. So I mean, I don't even get half of 7,500 miles because I drive city. But yeah, like this is supposed to be the competitor to Bestline engine treatment. So, and those, I mean, the videos I've seen, supposedly they work super good. So but Bestline is only online. So I was watching more videos and researching, so this is the competitor for that. So, and it was at AutoZone for 20 bucks. Is pretty pricey, but I mean, I'm just doing this for I can know if it works or not. I'm sure it does, but it's not much of a sacrifice because I'm letting you guys see. So I'm kind of like the guinea pig, you know. All right, well, thank you. If you guys want a sticker, then you're gonna have to buy one of these. So yeah, that's the unboxing for it. I don't want to make the video too long, so stay tuned. I mean, it's still gonna be like 6 months from now, so like I'll just keep uploading videos in the meantime. So you guys are gonna have to wait for that. So thank you very much. Thank you Prolong for the sticker and the discount, I guess. So thank you YouTube. See you next time.